Welcome back. In this business finance lecture, we'll go over study problem 7-15 in page 247 from the 8th edition of our textbook. Here's a view of the problem. I would like to start by highlighting some of the givens in the problem. First of all, this is a bond, pays $67.50 interest each year, and it will mature in 5 years. In order to purchase the bond, the investor has a 5% required rate of return on this bond. The question is to value the bond for this investor, assuming first that the coupon payments are made annually, and then secondly with coupon payments cut in half, paid every 6 months, considering annual coupon payments, interest payments. We will just simply again execute the third row of our financial calculator. It's a pretty standard question. So we are told that the coupon payments are $67.50. The face value of the bond, because there's no further information provided, we'll just simply assume it is $1,000. This was a 5-year bond. Recall, coupon payments are annual, and the required rate of return is 5%. Given that, what is the value of the bond for the investor? Now, when we compute present value, this should give us the valuation of the bond, and in this case it will come out as $1,075.77 if the coupon payments were semi-annual. In that case, we need to make several adjustments to our calculations. So let's go ahead and figure those out. Now, how many compounding periods will there be? Well, because 2 each year, that would give us a total of 10 compounding periods in 5 years. The required rate of return during those compounding periods would be half of what it would have been during the actual year. So in that case, it will be 2.5%. The question is still to figure out the valuation of the bond. The payments will be half because we are making 2 payments during the year, and therefore the semi-annual coupon payments will be $33.75 each. The face value will not change. Now again, we can compute the present value, and in that case this figure will come out slightly different, in $1,076.58 to be exact. And this whole difference is just related to the coupon payments being made semi-annually versus annually. Now realize that because when the coupon payments are made semi-annually, we are receiving half of the annual payments 6 months ahead. The valuation in that case would be higher. So comparing those two values, we realize that semi-annual compounding will create a higher valuation for the very same bond. So that completes our solution, and I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Hope to see you in the next video.